Hey guys, Patrick here in Southwest Fort Worth, and the end of last week I got this, and I'm going to do an unboxing video on it. It is going to go in the fish room for the summer, just to keep it a bit cooler. Some of the fish, when it gets too hot, they don't, they kind of stop breeding. But with Texas here, with these over 100-degree days, this will go, and it also, from what I've read, circulates the air so that I can actually go and not have it as humid in there while still running this. But this is the Midea. It's hefty. But this is their window air conditioner, U-shaped air conditioner. So let's go ahead and let me get a video of it. We'll kind of walk around it so you guys can see the product. This is the 12,000 BTU. That U shape so that the window can close on it. It's got a voice control. You can operate it with a smartphone, works with Google Assistant and Alexa. So let's go ahead and unbox this hefty thing so that you guys can see it. All right. I'll be installing it later. It's not warm enough to install it yet. So, get the sticker. Product documentation. All right, let's go ahead and bring it out of the box here. If I'm able to grab this box with my feet. Here we go. This thing off my mic cable. Top. It looks like we have some insulation blocks, I assume, to go on the U part of there. For those that are wondering. And it looks like the plug itself has surge protector on it. Reset test right there. Here's the brackets for insulation. I think I read insulation takes like 2 to 4 hours or something like that. Some more insulation. Block. Sticky for something. I'll find out from the instructions. And then here is the unit itself. Looks like we have some tape on there. This is it. There's the front of the unit. And there's the filter and the control panel. Pretty cool. That's where it blows it out. There's the U. I might have to wait till I have some help to install this thing because it's heavy. It's not lightweight. I mean, I've seen the regular window air conditioners, and they're a lot lighter than this thing. But it looks quality. It really does. You always hope something like that you buy, of course, is going to be so. Here's the back. I'll go ahead and take the camera so we can get a better view around it. So this is the unit. Here's the front. Get out of that direct sunlight there. A little bit of that light will help. Fan, sleep, swing, on, off. Connect timer, eco mode, auto cool, dry fan. I think I'm going to be pleased with this, because normally I don't run anything in the sunroom to cool it down. In the summer, they just stop breeding, and I travel for a bit. Some stuff starts breeding, other stuff I put outside. Okay. And for anybody wondering about the label, let's go and take a look at the label here. And this is a smart unit, so as the room is cooled, it doesn't use as much power to keep the room cool. There it is, quick unboxing video. Got it in the last week, and look forward to using it. All right.